It happened so fast. Sounds dramatic, but Wonder Zinc really gave me back my life. I first created Wonder Zinc about 6 years ago for my patients with skin problems. The feedback was incredible, but look, I couldn't make the cream stable for manufacturing in bulk, and I didn't want to compromise on quality and use the typical waxes that dried out your skin or additives that could be irritating, because that would defeat the purpose of the cream. Then later, when I suffered with skin issues on my ankles and feet, which affected my ability to enjoy life, I revisited Wonder Zinc. And after a year of testing formula after formula after formula, I developed an innovative technique to create a light and pleasant and stable zinc cream using incredible ingredients. Wonder Zinc became even more effective than the original formula, providing a protective barrier that quickly calmed my skin. I could finally wear open-toed shoes in summer, walk on the beach, swim in the ocean. Sounds dramatic, but Wonder Zinc really gave me back my life. Now, Wonder Zinc is a healthy glow barrier cream that calms red skin. It also provides relief for nappy rash by acting as a barrier. So what's so special about Wonder Zinc? That most creams and lotions are mostly made of water with very little oils and active ingredients. So you're mostly paying for water. If water was hydrating and soothing, having a shower would hydrate and calm your skin all day long. But the opposite is often true, especially if you have irritated skin, as water contains the wrong pH for healthy skin. So Wonder Zinc contains less water and more soothing ingredients such as natural non-nano zinc that rubs in clear due to our innovative, light, easy to rub in formula. Plus it contains kakadu plum, which is the richest natural source of vitamin C, provitamin B5 for healthy skin barrier, plus elderberry and organic seaweed extract for smoother, more radiant looking skin. It took about 7 years to create, but Wonder Zinc is one of those creams that is worth the wait. And the good news is you don't have to wait any longer because Wonder Zinc is available right now.
I have been suffering from a most horrendous case of eczema in my legs, from my groin right to my toes. And it is that relentless, insatiable itch that drives you mad. By this time Wonder Zinc was on the market, so I sent for it right away. And it came very quickly, and I slapped this on, and it kept putting that on every day, and it gave me relief from that itch. As you can see from the before and after photographs, that I am so happy with. I'm grateful that I found Karen's website.
Hi, my name's Emma. I've had eczema all my life. I had it as a child, and it seems the older I got, the worse it got. As a teenager, I had big bright red patches on my arm. That meant I couldn't go out in the sun, I couldn't go swimming at the beach. The salt water would sting it, and I had to wear a t-shirt to cover it throughout summer so that the sun didn't make it worse and more painful. I came across Wonder Zinc and the eczema diet through a friend, and I thought I have to give this a shot. I have children with eczema, I have eczema, and this isn't working anymore. So I thought I'll order some, I'll start small, I'll start with the cream. So I got Wonder Zinc all the way from Australia to New Zealand. And then one morning I woke up and the red inflammation was quite bad, really sore, and I thought I have to give this stuff a try. So I popped it on. I was a little bit nervous about putting it on my face, but I gave it a shot. And by the end of that day, the red inflammation had completely gone and there was no pain along my hairline anymore, and I was so stoked. I woke up the next day and it was still gone, and I couldn't believe it. I thought it was going to come back surely overnight, but I woke up and it had completely cleared, and I was so stoked. I tried another patch on my arm where some eczema popped up. It was only little, but it was red and itchy, and I popped some Wonder Zinc on there too, and that worked. And so my experience has been so good with Wonder Zinc.